I can't wait for somebody else to shampoo my hair. Like, okay. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a vlog style video. I am going to get my hair silk pressed today. Yay me, yay. Normally I only get my hair silk pressed once or twice a year around my birthday time, so it is that time. I am on my way. I am in the car about to go to the salon to get it done, and I'm going to record the entire process with you guys. So a little backstory: the stylist that I used to have my hair like silk pressed by or whatever, she relocated to the West Coast, LA, so she's no longer in my area. So I ventured out and tried to find a stylist. Okay, so this is my first time going to this stylist to get my hair done. I can't wait for somebody else to shampoo my hair. Like, okay. So this is a little bit of self-care for me as well. But anyway, so this is the first time that I will be meeting this stylist. This is the first time she's doing my hair. I'm going in for everything, the full gamut, the full deep conditioning. I'm getting a trim and everything. So I'm taking you guys along. So let's get into it. Okay, I just made it to the salon and I found parking, thank goodness, because there's no parking garage, no parking lot. So I had to park on the street. So I found parking, which was good. I am, of course, have to stay masked up, so I'm double masking today. So yeah, so like I said, this is a new stylist. I found her on Instagram, okay, because Instagram, they just be having all the peoples. But I found her on Instagram, so I'm going to go in. This is our first encounter, first time meeting her. So we're going to see. Normally when I get my hair straightened, you know, when I get my hair straightened every year, I normally use a certain set of products. And I've posted that in one of my reviews of the E-Tape products. I normally use that when I get my hair straightened every year. But with this particular stylist, they don't want you to use any outside like products and stuff. They want to use what they have. So today I'm going in with detangled hair. My hair has been detangled. I had to detangle my hair because that's another thing. Like, I always feel like I have to detangle my hair myself because tenderhead, y'all. So I don't want to make it too bad for when I go to the stylist or the shampoo assistant that's going to be detangling my hair. So yeah, I pulled it all back into like 4 twists and it's detangled. So I am about to get ready to go in and get settled, and I'm taking y'all with me. All right, let's go. Y'all, I am walking to the salon. It is freezing in my area today. We're expecting snow. It is 20 degrees. Oh my God. It is super cold. All right. Okay, I'm in the salon. I just made it in here. Super cute. Super cute. They're playing music and I don't want to be copyrighted, so I'm just gonna put a B-roll or something of everything, but I made it and I'll let you guys see the whole process. Okay. actually next day of my hair. Yesterday after I left the salon, I made a few errands. It was just a lot going on. My son had basketball, and when I came home I was just super sleepy, so I went to bed. But anyway, this is actually next day of my hair, and y'all, I really enjoyed how she took care of my hair. So this is the result. It is a little kind of like small bend at the end. She did give me a little curls at the end, and last night I just kind of separated my hair in two, pinned it up, and then put a bonnet on it, and then just brushed it out. But yeah, these are the results, and I have on my TD Curl Cousin Got Hair Goes t-shirt because I like measuring my hair journey progress. So with this shirt I can really see, like, you know, if my hair is progressing, if it's growing, all of that other stuff. So this is what it is look like. This is the t-shirt. But yeah, I'm just trying to see. Let's see what we got here. I hope you guys can see that. Yeah, so that's where we are with my hair. Like I said, she put a slight curl in it. Normally I get my hair like super bone straight, but this particular time she put a little bend in the ends, so that was fine. But this is like the front. It's like right at my boob, and then the back is probably like slightly waist length. But I did get a trim. I did a full treatment, the steam and everything. That was my first time actually getting a steam treatment. So I think it made a difference in my hair. So I was glad about that. Couple of things. This was my first visit with this stylist, and she made me feel so comfortable. She was really patient with me because I was vlogging this whole process, so she was really patient with me, and she was allowing me to get shots and all of that stuff. So I was really grateful for that, and I will be going back because, you know, I was definitely happy with the results. But this is what the hair is looking like up front, really shiny and everything. So we're gonna see how long this lasts, because even from like last night I sweat in my scalp, and sometimes I sweat in my sleep. I was afraid that my hair would get a little puffy. I only sweated a little bit, so it did get a little puffy, which is fine, because with my hair being straight I don't want it just like so super flat. So it does have a little bit of body in it, and that's what I do like about, you know, how she did the hair. So yeah, and I'll probably do like pin curls at night and then put the bonnet on it. This might last me about, I'm able to make my silk press last like at least maybe a month. We're gonna see. But yeah, I'm measuring my hair progress, y'all. Check this out. I have these t-shirts on my website. I'll be sure to link that down in the description below if you are interested and if you are charting your hair journey progress. So yeah, that's what we are, ladies. But yeah, that is it for this hair silk press vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like this video. All right guys, I'm out. Bye.